Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about one of the fascinating question in mathematics, that is I power I. So before we get into this question, first we will discuss about I. So basically what we say it is an imaginary number. It is an imaginary number and its value is root of -1. So again, in another terms, we can also say it as irrational number. So when we say it is an irrational, so how we define an irrational? So irrational numbers are those which cannot be expressed in form of p by q, or we can say after the decimal point numbers are non-terminating and non-recurring. These kind of numbers are said to be irrational. So when we write something called rational to the power rational, sorry, irrational to the power irrational, suppose, as we all know, root 2 is an irrational and we are again raising it is an irrational. So its value is non-terminating and non-repeating, so where we can say it is an irrational. So but since it is an irrational, again if we raise another root 2 for this number which is also an irrational, so what is going to be the value? So if we are going to multiply these two, so now the root 2 to the square is equal to 2, which is rational. So here we can say that when we write irrational to the power irrational, so the output may be, or the result may be, rational or irrational. So now we get into our question, that is I power I. So let us write it as g equal to I power I. Let us say it is an equation number 1. Now again we will use Euler's formula here. Euler's formula, that is e power I theta is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. So in the place of theta, if we take pi by 2, so what will be the equation? E power I pi by 2 is equal to cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. So as we all know, cos pi by 2 value is 0, I sin pi by 2 is 1. So the equation becomes I. So again, if we goes on continuing, if we apply log on both sides, what will it becomes? So now it will be I pi by 2 is equal to ln of I. Let us take this as equation number 2. Now we are going to apply log on, now apply log on equation 1. So what will it be? It is ln of z is equal to I ln of z. As we all found out, the value of ln of z is I pi by 2. So now, so again we will write it here. It is I equal to I pi by 2. As we all know, I square value is minus 1. So again it will be minus pi by 2 ln of z. If we write in terms of exponents, again the term will be z equal to e power minus pi by 2. So after calculating this, so the number what we get is 0.207879. It goes on continuous. Since after the decimal point the numbers are non-terminating and non-repeating, so here we can say it as I power I is irrational. Thank you.